What Greta emphasizes is this: if world leaders already know what's happening, why are they doing nothing? She urges that the climate policies they speak of must lead to real, measurable change. Greta lives a simple life, yet she works with great passion and urgency for all of us and for our planet. Through her life, I am reminded of the Creator, God, who has gifted us with this beautiful nature. God has revealed himself through nature so that we may come to know him. Therefore, we must cherish and protect this creation with all our hearts and preserve it, just as it is, for the generations to come,